Ever feel like you're stuck using the same old apps because you don't know what else is out there? What if I told you there's a hidden website that can instantly show you better, faster, and even free alternatives to almost any software you use? Whether it's a photo editor, a productivity tool, or your favorite browser, this site has a smarter option waiting for you. It's called alternative2.net, and it might just change the way you choose your apps forever. Alternative 2 helps you discover alternatives to almost any software across all major platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, and web-based tools. For example, if you're tired of paying for Photoshop, just search for it on Alternative 2 and you'll get a curated list of similar apps like GIMP, Photopea, and Krita. Each option comes with user reviews, platform compatibility, and key feature comparisons. You can also filter results by license type, such as free, open source, or paid, making it easy to find software that fits your needs. So if you're ready to break free from mediocre apps and find tools that truly work for you, check out Alternative2.net, your go-to site for discovering smarter software.